Hey guys, it's Christina with My Confection Obsession, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really pretty rose pie crust. So Thanksgiving is coming up, and I wanted to show you guys how to make a really beautiful, simple pie crust that you guys can use when you celebrate the holidays. So in front of me I have an apple pie that's already ready to go, so it's filled, and all I need to do is put the top crust on. And you're gonna see that I'm using 2 top crusts because this is going to be pretty dough heavy. I am using store-bought, but you can obviously use a homemade if you'd like. And what I'm gonna be doing is I'm actually gonna be using these rose fondant cutters that I got that I'll put on the show notes. And all I'm gonna do is I'm going to press into my crust. So after I have my shape, what I'm gonna do is fold in half. And I'm just going to roll it. I'm going to open the petals so that it looks like a rose. And then you can definitely cut off some of the bottom if it's too thick. And I'm just going to, well, I'll do that in a second. Set that aside. So now that I've made roses out of one crust, I'm going to start placing them to see how many more I need. So I'm going to start from the center and work out. So I'm just going to place it. So now that my entire apple pie is covered in roses, what I want to do is I want to put some decorative leaves around the edge. So I'm actually using my 3rd pie crust. This actually took much more dough than I expected, so definitely keep that in mind. So I'm just going to use my fondant leaf cutter. crust is completely done and it looks beautiful. I'm just gonna give it a little egg wash before I put it into the oven. So all this is 1 egg mixed with a 1/4 cup of cold water. And this is just gonna make the pie, the crust really shiny and give it a nice color. So my roast pie crust is done and it's ready to go in the oven. If you did like this episode, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel.